bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
I got sentenced on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back. Speak up again. You're getting 30 more days. I promise you. That's not a threat. It's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. I got people saying, I don't care.
This male Karen is in court for stealing a car and brings his kid, likely hoping for sympathy. But things spiral fast when he snaps at the judge over his sentence. Just when it seems over, he stuns the whole courtroom with what he says next. Even the judge is caught off guard. Fun fact, bringing a child to court can actually backfire if it looks like manipulation. What do you think? Did it help or hurt him? Let's dive in and watch this guy get shut down by a no-nonsense judge.
Hilarious Gervonta Lyons. He will be 716 3361.
There's the volume.
Michael Carvin, 734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
It's not areas.
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you know I'm going to call the case. What I'm going to do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call the case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're going to have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next month.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of you.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware. This is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Or less than 200, I'm sorry. He pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. But Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tri-Areas Gervonta Lyons. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's in 1 year. Well, I just want you to be aware I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution. And none of them show, so I'm not going to order any restitution out.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them, or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did my order the precepts report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, since my client shares, the care and custody of 2 young children with this girlfriend that he lives with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on our young family.
It looks like bringing his kid was this guy's only defense to avoid jail. His lawyer immediately played the "he has a family" card, like that somehow cancels out Grand Theft Auto. I mean, sure, lots of people have families, but most of them aren't out here stealing cars like it's GTA on easy mode. One time my neighbor left their keys in the ignition. I was late for work and still didn't take it. That says a lot.
You should think about these things before we go out prison. Steal? I mean, seriously.
I understand, Your Honor.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021 as domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, were just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing and retaining without consent a financial transaction device. Is that the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. A bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lane again for me, please? This lane is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
All right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed, and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision, though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that in. I've been working since January of 2024.
Anyone else smell that? This guy's story reeks, like when someone claims they accidentally walked out of Target with a flat screen TV. He's either lying or just plain dumb. Maybe both. Seriously, who tells the court they're unemployed? While secretly working, unless that work involves ski masks and bad decisions? Oh wait, he was out stealing and robbing. Mystery solved. Feels like I'm on the off-brand version of Law and Order here. And just so you know, lying on unemployment forms can land you a felony and thousands in fines. I had a buddy pull that while doing DoorDash. Let's just say, he doesn't DoorDash anymore.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued to the 37th District Court, 16th to 28th to 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry?
She's going around.
Was your the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victim charge, $50 justice assessment, 7.25, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to appeal. 2B7163361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
My area is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you.
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. You just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get.
I got people saying, I don't care. I don't have the room, get up. People stop for shouting. Be run over flat. At all. So I got started on Monday night. You got fuck on my system. Oh my man.
Alright. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, I don't want to get taken, bro. Taste me, dude. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Stop resisting. Like I got a kid that I got a rainbow. I said, oh, I'm making an egg die. You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I got proof. I don't see what you're doing. I got proof. I'm making it worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen.
Right.
Look at that. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the bed. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones except for the initial jail term. One more word and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
Honestly, maybe if he didn't steal in the first place, he wouldn't be in court crying about consequences. Just a thought. Let me know if you're siding with this male Karen, who's literally sitting on the floor right now, or with one of my favorite judges because I'm fully team judge on this one. Like 40 days for stealing plus having prior felonies for theft and robbery. That's wild. My mom grounded me longer than that once just for skipping class. I really expected a few months at least, but maybe the judge was feeling generous. Also, tell me I'm not the only one getting Italian mob boss vibes from this judge. The way he talks, it's like he's about to say, forget about it, and slam the gavel like it's a meatball. I had a boss who talked like that once. When he told me I was late, I felt like I owed him lunch money.
Yeah, it is not already. Bro.
Go inside, go inside.
It's real good fathers out here. Real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman can do anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
What do you know?
Talk to you, bro.
40 days? That's not a sentence. That's a timeout. I'm also surprised the judge backed down after clearly saying, talk again and you're getting 30 more days, then didn't follow through. Kinda weird. Also, I wouldn't want to be the next guy walking into that courtroom, especially the dude in the bottom center of the screen who already looks like he regrets everything. Poor guy's about to get torn apart. But what do you think? Did this male Karen deserve more time? Or did the judge handle it right? Personally, I think he went too easy. Let me know your thoughts, and thanks so much for watching.